Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome on this beautiful day, this awesome day, this amazing day. Welcome back to the TheMoeShow, number 53, with your host, Fawaz. And today is a great day. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Christmas bundle, the Christmas Commission Bundle from Glynn Kosky. It's actually the most amazing bundle I've seen so far. And why? I'll show you why. Come in. Boom. Okay, so I'll show you why. First of all, he's giving you, basically it's a bundle of everything he created this year of 2020. So basically all the softwares, all the courses that he created in this year, 2020, he's giving it to you for a low price, a front-end price of $17. And I'll show you, actually, you can get it for lower than that by a trick that you can move on, by a trick, the mouse, you can move the mouse around the sales page, and you can get it for less than that. But anyway, going back into this, everything he created, whether it's apps, whether it's courses, whether it's bundles, whether it's everything that he has on, that he created in 2020, everything, and I mean everything. And that's why I'm saying this bundle is amazing, okay? I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so let's go here. First of all, I'll show you the bonuses first. I'll introduce you to my bonuses first, and then we'll hit the sales page, the commission, Christmas Commission Bundle, sales page, and I'll show you inside the software too, inside the everything, what you get. But first, for you to get the bonuses before December 15 is going to be Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so you got to get it before Tuesday, December 15th, 11:59 p.m. to make sure that you're getting all the bonuses I'm giving you here. Okay, so basically I'm giving you bonuses, he's giving you bonuses, and on top of it, he's giving you everything that he created last year. So you cannot ask for more. Trust me. This is an amazing bundle. This is an amazing price, and this, I'll show you again, is why it's amazing, because my bonuses. Come in. Okay, so bonus number one. Let's start with bonus number one. Undisclosed bonus. Of course, the undisclosed bonus is the mystery bonus that I always give in the bundles and bundles like that, in a good apps software like that. So this undisclosed bonus, this secret bonus is worth $500. So basically, I'm giving you that as a bonus number one, and it's right there. Okay, undisclosed bonuses by the King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Again, that one and only, King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. And like I said, all this, the disclosed bonus, without giving you a lot of information, it's a full course teaching you affiliate marketing from A to Z. And I'm telling you, this affiliate marketing course, you will make money with it. Just to let you know. Okay, so that's bonus number one, worth $500 as a bonus. I'm giving you that. Bonus number two, Bing Ads Mastery Training by the one and only King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. That's bonus number two. Of course, everybody knows Bing. Bing is one of those competitor of Google. So basically, you can create ads, you can create advertisement there, you can get leads and prospects from the search engine bundle. The ads you can create there. So basically, this course will teach you from A to Z how to deal with Bing. It's a bit expensive than Google, a little bit expensive per lead, like to pay per lead, but it's a full course that will teach you everything from A to Z. There. Okay. So bonus number three is make a fortune with Facebook money. Make a fortune with Facebook money. As you know, everybody and his dog knows Facebook, and the amount of courses out there is insane. But there's no course that teaches you a specific course that teaches you Facebook Live. Facebook Live. You know Facebook Live. Escape. Anyway, there's a platform that created that live feature. First it started it, and then YouTube took it, and then started launching it. I think it was like 6-7 years ago, not 6-7, maybe more. And then Facebook took it live. So basically, this course will teach you from A to Z how to make money with Facebook Live. As you know, Facebook Live is you make a video, and everybody online that sees that video can jump in to see that video. And Facebook, it does its job to advertise you for free, to advertise you to everybody online. So this is a good way, good feature, as a great feature to make money online. And this course will teach you that from A to Z. Okay, so let's jump into bonus number 4. Bonus number 4: how to explode your YouTube channel. Of course, YouTube channel with subscribers, how to get subscribers, how to get signups, how to get prospects through the YouTube channel. So basically, how to create good videos, attracting videos, how to focus on your the leads or the customers that you're targeting. The target. That's what I'm looking for. The word I'm looking for. By the one and only, again, King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Okay. So bonus number 5. The last bonus here is list building on steroids. So list building, as you know, is your asset. As your list is your asset in your business. So basically, this course will teach you from A to Z how to build your list, how to nurture it, how to make money out of it, how to talk to your customer, how to love them to death. Okay, so basically this is the course by the one and only King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz, and it's right here as bonus number 5. Okay, again, if you're interested to get this bundle, and you should, click on one of those red buttons scattered everywhere on the page. Okay, and when you click on that button, you're gonna go to the sales page right here, and then from the sales page you can purchase, and you can go through the purchase, and after you purchase, you're gonna arrive to a page like that. It's gonna be written the product and the vendor, and of course your email and date and the price you paid, and access your purchase right here. Access your purchase, and then access affiliate bundle, affiliate bonus. So all the bonuses that you see here is gonna be attached in this button. So as soon as you click it, you're gonna arrive to the 5 bonuses that I'm giving you here. Okay. Without further ado, let's jump into the sales page. Okay, so like I said, the front end is $17, but here's the trick. Look at this. When you try to escape the page, click on the button below to save $3. So $3 out of the 17 is $14. So you can get it for $14. Basically, it's not $17. You can get it for $3 less, which is $14. You can get everything here. I'm going to show you the bundle that he's giving you. It's insane. It's insane. Everything he created. Look at this. Big ticket commission, giveaway profit, triple traffic bots, commission funnels. Okay, this is too small to see. Okay, let's see. He has a list here. Here we go. Okay, so Digi Product Lab, commission shortcut. Digi Product Lab, commission shortcut, commission funnel, Digi Product Lab again, Digi Product Lab again. Is it again? Digi Product Lab. I think this is the 2 different courses that he's giving you, but the same name for some reason. High Ticket Hijack, Freebie Commission, Affiliate Size Pro, Commission Replicator, Recurring Profit Machine, Giveaway Profits, CB Profit Sites, Tube Siphon, Magic Funnels, Big Ticket Commission, Triple Traffic Bots, and oh my God, there is actually, and on top of it, he's giving you a mega traffic training bonuses on top of it too. So basically, beside the softwares and the bots that he's giving you, the apps, he's giving you training on top of it. Look at this amount. This is insane. I haven't seen that before. So, okay. So anyway, without me freaking out, you can get all these bonuses. But also, I'm going to show you also the bonuses he's giving you on top of it. On top of my bonuses, there is bonuses he's giving you. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, let's make it small so I can get all the bonuses in one page. It's too small. Okay, so bonus number 1. Bonus number 1 right here. So let's give me a pen. Let me give me a pen, man. Give me a pen. Okay, so bonus number 1. Okay, let's make it black. Okay, so bonus number 1 is multiple free traffic software. That's bonus number 1. We'll give you free access to our premium traffic software, which will help you get hordes of traffic at 0 cost. Okay, so basically to 0 cost and everything here to get traffic. Bonus number 2, 70 plus extra bonuses. 70 plus extra bonuses that he's giving you 70 plus on top of it. On top of the bonuses he's giving you here, and he's giving you 70 plus extra bonuses on top of it. Okay. Bonus number 3, live chat support. Live chat. Why did it change? Here we go. Live chat support. Live chat support is to ensure you get attention, care, and support you deserve. We're including live chat support with our team of experts who will study round the clock, on the clock to help you, assist you. Okay, that's it. Done. And bonus number 4: exclusive live streams. Exclusive live streams. We want to ensure that you get a foot in the right directions to speak, so to speak. So our millionaires, marketers behind all these products will be conducting several live streams on your behalf. Okay, that's it. That's all for him right here. It's only, like I said, $17. And if you move your mouse, so like I said, if you move your mouse around there, you're gonna arrive to $14. What a steal! I cannot tell you how much I appreciate what he does, Glynn. Okay, so all these products, which is, I'm gonna show you here again: commission shortcut, product lab, commission funnels, digi funnels wrap. Okay, so I made a mistake. Digi product wrap and digi funnel lab. High ticket hijack, freebies commission, affiliate sites, commission replicator, recurring profit machine, giveaway profit, CP, click bank profit sites, tube siphon, magic funnel, triple traffic bots, big ticket commission. All these I just can't. Okay, it's $14 after all. Like I said, if you move your mouse. Okay, let's jump into the software itself to show you inside. Okay, so we're here. Dashboard. You're gonna get the first, of course, the dashboard, which is the training right here. Come on. Okay, so you can play it. You can check it out by yourself. Registration. Okay, here where we gonna come to the softwares itself. Okay, look at this. There is a trick. These are the software right here. Okay, you can close this for a bit. These are the softwares right here. Okay, so for you to arrive to the software, you have to click each one. And right here, you have to register, and then you arrive to the software, inside the software. Okay, so again, number 2, Digi Product Lab. Again, right here, you have to register and go in. Commission funnels, right here, and you go in. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy. Okay, so that's all the softwares that he's offering. And upgrades, of course, the upgrades, I'm gonna show you exactly how much the upgrades and all these upgrades right here. Unlimited traffic done for you, automation edition, ATM edition, ultimate edition, license right, 30K version, and all that. Okay, so let's go see. And then free traffic here. I think it's a course of 12 videos that shows you exactly how to get free traffic. No, actually not. My mistake. It's actually here. He's giving you a trick to get free traffic from Google. Okay, so you gotta watch it. When you arrive here, upgrade membership. That's to upgrade the membership if you have an upgrade option. Okay, when you have an upgrade option, of course, you can upgrade to the unlimited version, to the done for you, to the unlimited traffic, to the 30K package, all of that. Okay, so let's go back to the bonus page right here. Right here, as you see, front end is $17. Like I showed you the trick to get it for $15. Okay, OTO number 1, upsell number 1 is Christmas Commission Bundle, unlimited pro version. Of course, you're gonna get not the pro version with the front end, but after that you can upgrade to the pro version for only $67. That's with a downsell of $37. So okay, actually you can get the pro version for $37 if you want. Okay, or $67 if you pay right away, right up front. Okay. OTO number 2, 100% done for your Christmas commission bundle, $97 with the downsell of $67. Okay, done for your commission pages. Not commission pages, it's Christmas commission bundle. That's wrong. Okay, so OTO number 3, upsell number 3, unlimited traffic for $147 and $47 downsell. Okay, unlimited traffic gives you everything you need to generate traffic plus sales fast. We are going to allow 50 people to siphon traffic from all our blockbuster sales pages that have made us $100 million. No, $1 million. $1 million in sale. Okay, and commission. Mind the joke. Okay, so upsell number 4, OTO number 4, 30K and 30 days version. It's $147 and a downsell of $47. Okay. OTO number 5, super affiliate version, $97 and a downsell of $37. As you know, license right, self-explanatory. $147, $67 downsell, $147 upfront, $67 downsell. Okay, And OTO number 5, OTO number 7, it's insane amount of OTOs here. Auto Profit Boost, 47 and a downside of $37. Okay, so OTO Boost gives you everything you need to quickly make 6 figures online. Additional tools that will help you sell more products. The version of Done For You Profit funnels you already purchased includes everything you need to get your stores up and running. So basically, this has to do with stores, and it's called Auto Profit Boost. Okay, that's it. That's all. So you guys got 2 days to purchase the product until Tuesday, December 15, before 11:59, and you can click on one of those beautiful red buttons scattered everywhere on the page to arrive to the sales page. Thank you again for hanging out. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Back again. Okay, so welcome. Thank you again for hanging out with me. The MoeShow, number 53, with your host, Moez Fawaz. And again, have yourself a good day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, and be the best version of your life today and every other day. Peace and be good.